Hello parents and hello kids. Hope you all are doing good, and I also hope that you all are waiting for your drawing class. So in your last drawing class, what you did? So you did Sunita ma'am's favorite drawing. Yes, right. Hope you all enjoyed that, and I also saw few of your photos. You all did it very well. So clap for yourself. Clap. So you did about maths drawing, but you have to do mind drawing also, no? So in this class, you are going to draw my favorite drawing with the shape triangle. So triangle shape which we saw so many drawings, right? From that, you are going to select one drawing which I like to do, and that drawing we are going to see in this drawing class. So for that, I will show you some of the drawings which we did already. So you were drawing note editor. You can also turn it up and see what drawings we have done related to the triangular shape. So first what we did watermelon. This is an easy triangular drawing. So this is watermelon we did, and ice cream. So you all should be prepared with ice cream very well. You know why? Because yes, right? Next we have fish. Fish also we did with triangular shape. Next is colored umbrella, different colored umbrella. We saw with simple easy step to do that. And then birthday cap. Okay, so birthday cap we did, and then we did Xmas tree. Xmas tree also we did with triangular shape. Next boat we did with simple steps. I taught you how to draw this boat. Next, finally, we did hen diagram. Okay, hen is the last thing we did in triangular shape. So for this class, we are going to draw this boat only. Okay, this I loved it so much. So this drawing only we are going to do in an A4 sheet. So you can refer these steps. நீங்க நோட்ல வரைஞ்சிட்டீங்கன்னா with that step you can refer, and then you can draw in an A4 sheet. Like plain sheet, parents kindly make them ready. So one plain sheet you can give them, and that only they are going to do the drawing. So before doing the drawing, we are going to draw the borders. Okay, borders are நம்ம first வரை போறோம். For that you can take your parents help. கொஞ்சம் small borders வச்சிட்டு all the four sides you have to draw likewise. So I'm taking a small borders only, not big one. So all the four sides you have to draw like this. And then now take a black color marker, draw above that. So if you have sketch, you can use that, or this black color marker itself you can use to put the border. Border is very must for this drawing. So after drawing the borders with the black color marker, I'm going to color this inside. So I'm going to take two colors, that is red and blue. You can take your favorite color for coloring this. So now I'll show you how to do that. For this border, I'm giving red color. So slowly you have to do. Haribari panna, the color will go out. Then your paper will not look nice. So slowly border we are going to give. You can choose your own favorite colors for doing out these borders. If you have glitter cello tape, you can also paste that. If you're not having, you can use this method. So down part, this lengthy part I'm giving red color, and on this small width I'm giving blue color. You can take contrast and bright colors so that it will come beautifully and neatly also. So color it fast. When you color, you can now finish it fastly, and also சீக்கிரமா நீங்க முடிச்சிட்டு you can move on to the next step. So blue color on the other side you have to do. So this is blue and that is red. Likewise you should also do for the other sides. So I completed coloring all the four borders with red color and blue color. So you can see it now how beautifully it came. And next step is to write the heading. Namma enna pandrom, we should write the heading, no? So you can take your parents' help, okay? And what we are going to draw? We are going to draw a boat. So BOAT is boat spelling. Now we are going to move on to the next step. So first for the drawing, what you should have? You should have a triangular shape, right? Triangle indada boat varaiya mudiyum. So for that I'm drawing a triangle. So this part parents can help them, since they don't know to draw a triangle properly. You can help them in drawing this. So triangle varanjite. What is the second step? Put a sleeping line here. So for this, with the finger, your hands, you can put sleeping line போட்டுட்டு you should rub it off this part, you should rub it off. Okay, so இதுதான் வந்துட்டு நம்ம boatோட down part. Next we'll move on to the upper part. So now what will be the next step? இது வரைஞ்ச அப்புறம் நம்ம standing line வரையணும் தானே in the middle. So for that, put a standing line and one more standing line likewise and join it with the sleeping line. After drawing the standing line and joining this, the next step, what is the third step? See in your drawing note, the third step will be from here you have to draw a curve likewise. So in the madri you should put a curve and this curve should not join the sleeping line. Join pannama, again one sleeping line, you should draw likewise. Then on the other side what you should do? That's the third step. Next fourth step la, put a slanting line till the end and join that with the sleeping line. So one side curve podnu and on the other side vandu put a slanting line and join. So the boat is ready now. It is very easy, no? Triangle varanjittu that half you have to cut and rub the down part and put two standing line and join it with a small sleeping line. One side you have to put a curve and sleeping line. On the other side put a slanting line and put a sleeping line likewise. So the boat is ready now. Now we are going to color this boat. So with your favorite colors of crayons you can color it. Okay, so what we can do, I'll take other than this color what you have colored here, rest any other color you can take and color your boat. So for up I'm giving this orange color. Okay, so take your orange color crayon. For one side I'm giving this orange color. First color the border, as I always tell, color the borders and then color it inside. You can take bright colors, some bright dark colors. When you take, your drawing will look so beautiful. So one side I'm giving this orange and other side what color we can give? What is the contrast of orange color? So I'll give yellow. Yellow will look more bright, no? So take yellow color crayon and on the other side you can give yellow color. So yellow color vechittu I'm giving my own choice, so you can choose of your own color and then give it. On the other side I'll give yellow color. Then on the middle one standing line is there, no? For that what color we can give? Some dark color can we take and give? So we can give some which color? Some blue color. Blue already we gave. Some other dark color we can search and give. So this dark blue, we didn't give this dark blue, right? That one we can give in the middle likewise. See how beautiful it looks. Then boat usually will be in which color? It will be in brown only. So take your brown color crayon and give borders, and the sides also you should draw likewise, and then sleeping line wise you have to color. So this drawn diagram or this drawing I'm going to paste above this rabbit drawing. So somewhere where you have pasted that one, along with that you can stick this boat diagram also. See how beautiful it looks when you stick it off. So likewise you should also do the drawing neatly and stick it somewhere in your home. So where you have stuck this rabbit, above that you can paste that, or somewhere else if you want you can stick it off. Okay, so that's it. I hope you all will enjoy this drawing work. So complete it and enjoy it, and don't forget to upload the photos. So we'll meet you next class. Bye bye. Thank you. Have a fantastic Friday.